So Budapest surprised me, but this hotel might surprise you even more. So before flying to New York for continent number 3 on my Turkish Airlines Six Continents challenge,
fly to 6 continents with Turkish Airlines and earn 1 million miles.
I checked into one of Budapest's newest luxury hotel, Dorothea Hotel. Now this place blends historic architecture with a modern design, and it sits right in the heart of the city near the Danube. Now, in this video, I'll show you my studio suite, the stunning lobby, the gym, the indoor pool and spa area, and also the hotel's restaurant. But the real question is this one of the best luxury hotels in Budapest? And would you stay here? Let's find out.
Oops.
Excuse me. And guys, just checked into the Dorothea Hotel. First thing you notice when you walk in, the main passage coming in is just beautiful. Artwork, the decor. The lobby is really spectacular. So you know you're in for a treat when you walk into such a cool spot. As always, I got to upgrade. Guys, I'm going to show you around the studio suites. I'm going to tell you everything about this property. I'm going to tell you the cost. And I'm also going to give you my rating as well. So once you first get in, you have a sitting area. So on this sitting area, no shortage, guys. No shortage of things to read. So for the avid readers here, you got lots of choices. A bar, you got a mini bar over in this area. Just to give you an idea, so a Pepsi is approximately 1,000 Hungarian forint, so about $3 US, and a beer 4,000, so that's almost $11.50 as well. You also have some snacks in here, so that's cool. Complimentary teas and coffees over there. Now, one of the things I like about this television that divides the room is actually spins. So now you see it. Then if you're in bed, then you can actually watch it over on this side. So king size bed has ample space. So I'm digging that with some plugs as well. Let's see something. Do they have any US plugs? No US plugs. You better travel with that charger. But it looks like they have the USB and USB-C and USB plugs, fast charge as well. So that's pretty cool. We're also going to check out the rest of the hotel as well. Before I go in the bathroom, on this side you got a closet area. So ample storage closet. And then also some shelves as well. Bathrobe for you. I haven't found the safe yet. I'm sure it's in there somewhere. Let's see. Bam! Okay. So of course there's some hanging hooks. And then this bathroom is really clean and fresh. You know, I don't take baths, but there's a tub. Actually, I don't know if I can fit in this tub. My wife could though, and she takes baths, but I'm not gonna use it. Some products over here, Botanique. I'm not familiar with that as well. So bath robes, pretty standard as well. And then some additional towels and slippers underneath. For those who are keeping track of your weight, they got you covered with a scale. And then good, they have full products here for you to utilize as well. And one thing I found that was very interesting, this is sealed. I wonder if people are stealing this type of lotion. I need to look it up. Maybe this is some good stuff. In here, guys, my favorite, Rainfall, baby. Love rainfall showers. And then in here, the private area, you know, to do that number 2 or do your business or whatever you call it. So that's pretty much what it looks like. And I'm actually going to show you around the restaurants as well. I'm going to show you the gym and just the property in general. So you know, guys, I got a sweet tooth, so I always got to sample the goodies. So some chocolates. Actually, good quality chocolate, not too sweet. This one has some nuts on it as well. So that's a nice touch. It's always good to have amenity when you check into a hotel. So that's great. So the hotel is in the center of the city. It's on the Pest side, so easily walkable to the Parliament. You can get to the Buda side as well. You can go over the chain bridge and up to the castle as well. I'm gonna explore a little bit around the city tonight, so to show you how it looks at night. When I first got in, I came through this courtyard area. You know, tourists were there being entertained and so forth. So really loving the location so far. Marriott Bonvoy members, you get a complimentary drink and snack between 5:30 and 7:30 p.m. I'm too late for that today. I was too late for that today, so went down to the bar, check it out. So this is what the happy hour elite menu looks like. And this is me enjoying the complimentary happy hour on a different stay. In addition, they have a full bar so you can purchase your own cocktails or drinks or just relax by the bar. The Pavilion restaurant and bars are all day dining. I'm gonna eat there in the morning, so I'll show you more when it's light outside. But for now, I'm gonna go explore the city. Check it out. So the gym, pool and spa, located on one of the lower floors below the lobby. Access is controlled by your key card. So you have a small functional gym with your leg press, your circuits, your kettlebells, treadmills, stairmasters and ellipticals. It's light on the free weights, but you have enough to get you a good workout to start your day. So they have a pretty cool changing room, toilet area, shower area as well. The same products that's in the room. So there's a steam room. I need to come back down here and try it out. It's pretty cool. And then an indoor pool. And also a sauna as well. So both sauna and steam room. And then Another shower back here. Oh, with a bucket as well. So it's a morning time, and you can see the window here. Oh, I thought it could be open, but I guess not. Let's see. Nope, it can be cracked. So there's a landing area here. You can look down, you can see the street view as well. And then on the other side, there's a different area. So on this side, you basically have, I don't know, with the same door you can crack to get some fresh air in. At least you can look outside. Guys, I just realized, it dawned on me, these are tamper proof, so it's actually good to have a seal on it. At first I thought they were trying to prevent folks from stealing. Maybe that's a secondary benefit, but it's good. Tamper proof, so you know it's not contaminated. So you can tell I've been drinking the espresso. Oh, the bed, very, very comfortable. It's a little bit softer, which I like. And guys, pillows were great as well, but they also have a pillow menu. So those of you who are into certain types of pillows that give you a better rest, they got you covered. Oh, they also have a rooftop restaurant as well that you can check out. So the breakfast is extensive. It's in a beautiful restaurant that's in an inner courtyard area. Actually, some rooms actually have views overlooking the breakfast restaurant pavilion. They have both buffet and a la carte choices. So from the buffet, you got breads, fruits, cheese and nuts, multiple hot entree choices as well. Then you also have the a la carte options such as eggs Benedict, omelets, French toast. One thing that's not common on a breakfast menu is a avocado caviar toast. So I saw that and I'm like, hey, let me have one. What a combination. I really enjoyed it as well. So I also had an egg white omelet that was cooked to my specification. Well done. Just how I love it. So that was delicious. It was a little bit salty, but it tastes great. So Marriott members, it's gonna cost you 60 to about 72,000 Marriott points per night for a standard room here. And the paid rates are approximately $300 per night. And guys, because I have Marriott status, I got this upgrade to the studio suite, so that's great. So I have the platinum status, and you need to stay 50 nights to have this status, or you can take a shortcut with a card that I link below that will give you status as well, so you can actually enjoy some possible upgrades like I did. I know one thing, I'm planning on coming back, and I would not hesitate to stay here next time I'm in Budapest. Let me know below what you think about this hotel. Would you stay here? What do you think about the room, the restaurant, this experience here? Like, share, comment. See you next time.